Icebank project within Fiat came about because New Zealand has some of the best milk in the world at the udder, but our approach at cooling milk on the farm really hasn't changed much over about 40-50 years.
And according to international regulation, they are moving to fast cooling, which improve the quality of the milk and the microbiology, so that when it's taken to processing, it's of good quality.
Europe already uses snap chilling, so we might take 6 hours to cool it down to 6 degrees. They take 6 seconds to cool it down to 6 degrees.
We are developing our own technology here in New Zealand, where we can cool in a few seconds rather than hours.
Professor Mohammed Fareed at the University of Auckland has been working on that new technology, so it's a great fit.
The New Zealand dairy herd is different from the European one. The Kiwi herd is very much larger. We have a lot more milk to process in a short time. And this Icebank has been designed to do that.
The existing situation in New Zealand, if you want to upgrade the system to cool faster, you have to build a new refrigeration system, which is quite costly. So what we wanted to do is to operate the same refrigeration system at night and freeze the ice and then capture that coolness later in the morning, assisting the existing refrigeration system. By doing so, we get benefit of cost reduction because at night electricity is cheaper. And at the same time, then the farmer doesn't need to go and buy a new chiller.
They've got the prototype working on a New Zealand dairy farm, has been for 2 seasons, but it's at the point that a technology company could pick it up, and it's ready for when New Zealand makes that next change to snap chilling, which it must do.
Well, when we talked with the farmer in Hamilton, the person we have met there, he was very interested and implemented it, and he was very happy with the outcome of the unit.
Some of the results we've had out of this change system, with putting in your chiller system, is we've now got, on this farm, we've never been able to get under a B or an A on our bacto scan, which is a bacteria scan, which is the milk testing done daily on our milk. Since the system's been in, we're now running A+ regularly. So the only thing I can put it down to is that because the milk's getting chilled basically straight from the cow, there's no time for the bacteria to grow, which is great for us.
This is a significant improvement which happened simply because of the fast cooling, nothing else. And my understanding, they are paid based on the quality. The commercial benefit, it's a technology, New Zealand technology. That's number one. It's based on molding, plastic molding, where we have a company in New Zealand happy to do that, and they have done the system for us. We are using chilled water from the chiller. We are not passing huge amount of refrigerant, which can cause pollution problems and so on. So we don't have that issue.
We don't want to have to put up expensive buildings and so on to house the equipment. So the very small footprint that's been designed into this piece of equipment is ideally suited for New Zealand conditions and can be retrofitted to our existing facilities. And that's important, particularly from an economic point of view.
The Icebank project's at the point now where it's waiting for a company to pick it up and to manufacture and sell these units. It will enable the snap chilling to take off in New Zealand, and that will give us better dairy products, mainly for export, but also for New Zealand consumption. And that's exactly what Fiat wants out of it.